Rakhi is not only the festival to celebrate, but as a teacher or parents, we should let our children know about the importance and significance of this festival. Hello teachers and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manju, and if you are visiting first time to my channel, let me tell you something about my channel. I regularly upload videos which are really helpful for the teachers, students and sometime to the parents also. So if you are visiting first time to my channel, please consider to subscribe. So in this video, I am conducting Rakhi making activity in my class. But before conducting the activity, I will let them know what is the importance of Rakhi, why we celebrate Rakshabandhan, the importance, the meaning of Rakshabandhan, okay, so that they can understand the meaning, the importance and the significance of Rakhi in their day-to-day life, okay. And after that, I am going to conduct Rakhi making activity in my class. First, I will make and I will show to my children how to make Rakhi, and after that they will try by themselves so that they can use the same Rakhi on Rakshabandhan, okay. So without further delay, let's start. Good morning children, how are you? How are you all? Good, that's nice. So children, do you know which festival is coming? Do you know? Do you have any idea? Good, Rakhi celebration called Rakshabandhan. And today in our class, we are going to do Rakhi activity, okay? We are going to make Rakhi for Rakhi celebration, okay? But before that, let's understand why we celebrate Rakhi. My dear children, keep showering your love to your brother, sister, whoever you have in your family, okay? Because a brother and sister relationship is priceless relationship in this entire world. It's not only limited to Rakhi and gifts only, but the true meaning of Rakshabandhan is to protect your sister. Whenever any type of trouble or any crisis comes, you have to stand like a shield to protect your sister. Brother is one who always do his duty by protecting his sister, called Raksha. That is why this festival is called Rakshabandhan. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. That is why this festival is called Rakshabandhan. Okay, a beautiful festival of love and care between brother and sister. Now promise me children, as a brother you are going to protect your sister, and as a sister you are going to respect and love your brother, okay? You never hurt each other and always give respect and love to each other, okay? Now let's start our Rakhi making activity. hope you found this video helpful and interesting too. If you like this video, then please give a like, okay? And if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe. See you again in the next video with a fresh topic. Till then, take care, goodbye, and happy teaching and happy Rakshabandhan in advance.